morning from Grandfather Farm. It's March 13th, 2025, and it's about 10 a.m. Come down here to feed these animals. We've had a lot of rain come down. This place is a mud pit. Okay, I got the chips down, so it's not sinking yet. I'm sure up here I'll be tracking a little bit of mud from where the gravel sunk. Good morning, Harold. I see you didn't spill your water this time. That's nice. Still no babies. How you doing, Bella? Some lovin's. Yeah. Oh, sweet goat. It rained so much last night, the water dishes are full. The ground is damp. It's not too mushy. I'm really surprised. It's 44 degrees right now, and we have a little breeze going on, small wind, and the wind is cold. Sun is shining through the clouds right now, so that's nice. A little blue in the sky here and there. It's supposed to be cloudy the rest of the day, the way I understand. And they say rain for the weekend. That's not good. Just hoping this place will be dry enough to finish that fence. I may have to wait. Well, they're all set for right now. Be back a little bit later, green them, and check on those water